Welcome to part 2 of our third attempt of our DIY backyard renovation and turning it into my Nancy Meyers inspired dream outdoor space. And the first order of business is to get rid of this disgusting, rotted, falling over red fence that is just a complete eyesore.
Ew!
So we headed to the hardware store, cleared out the entire fence department, picked up the rest of our materials, and got to work. The fence came down almost too easy.
Actually, like, suspiciously quickly.
And we unfortunately had to trim a few branches of our avocado tree to make room for the new fence. I know what you're thinking.
Why?
Sorry, I hated to do it, but it had to be done. Then we got the new post secured with concrete and started getting all of that framing finished. We installed a 12-inch wide board along the bottom of the fence before installing all of the pickets to make it a little taller for more privacy. And after 3 days, our fence was nearly complete. After Ryan finished all of the hard work, because let's face it, the whole time I said we throughout this video, I really meant Ryan.
I'm completely useless.
But then he sent me in to do what he likes to call unskilled labor. Basically just drilling the screws. But hey, teamwork makes the dream work, and now we have a beautiful fence that's ready to be painted. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and follow for the next part and for more home renovation.